Let's find the volume of a right circular cylinder with radius 7.5 feet and height 17 1/4 feet. To begin, we'll draw a cylinder like we have in the upper left corner. So a cylinder is where we have two bases, top and bottom, of circles. So we'll draw a circle on top, two sides, and connecting the figure in this way draws a cylinder. The radius of this cylinder has a length of 7.5 feet, and the height of the cylinder will have a distance of 17 1/4 feet. So the volume of this cylinder will be the formula pi r squared times h. So let's first list the formula, V equals pi r squared times h, and plug in our radius and our height into this formula. Then we'll simplify it and write our answer with a pi symbol at the end. So, plugging in 7.5 and 17 1/4 in for the radius and the height respectively. Let's move our figure to the left here. Then volume is equal to pi times 7.5 squared multiplied by the height is 17 1/4. Without the pi symbol, we're about to multiply 7.5 squared, which is 7.5 times itself, and multiply that answer by 17 1/4. We'll write our pi symbol at the end of our answer and leave it in terms of pi. So, just rewriting this real fast, volume equals 7.5 squared multiplied by 17 1/4 with a pi at the end. So let's use a calculator to compute 7.5 squared multiplied by 17 1/4. So, bringing up a TI calculator, our volume would be 7 plus 1 over 2, 7.5 squared, times parenthesis 17 plus 1 over 4. Hitting enter, we arrive at the answer 970.3125. So our volume would be that decimal, 970.3125, with a pi at the end. So our volume is measured in cubic feet, since our radius and height are in feet. And this says that the material on the inside of the cylinder would total up to a volume of 970.3125 times pi cubic feet. And that's our final answer.